guys, welcome back to Zing Toys Vlog. Before we get started, please give us a huge thumbs up and subscribe. You know what's happening. Look at them. That little cutie eating its little food. Ah! So we got these little cuties at the store. Very precious, very cute. We're just going to give a tour, and that's them themselves. This is the floorway. So we need this so they can walk. This is their food area. They're here right now eating. Well, not anymore. It looks like they're sleeping. Better be quiet. And this is where they drink water in case they're thirsty. We give them filter water, not tap. And then this is a little light bulb. It gives them light and it keeps them warm. Well, that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe and share to your friends, family if you want to see more. And even see me pick up that birdie. Or this one. Well, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. And give us a huge thumbs up. Birdie! And the box is their cage. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye. And dream big.